A third migrant worker has died from COVID-19 in Ontario. Concerns over the health and safety of these seasonal laborers prompted Mexico to bar its citizens from coming to work on Canadian farms. But Ottawa finally struck a deal with the Mexican government to improve conditions and allow migrant workers to keep coming here. Our Abigail Bimman spoke with Mexico's ambassador to Canada, who is optimistic about the changes.
Bunks separated by cardboard in this video posted by Justice for Migrant Workers. The farm they named didn't respond to a request for comment.
The risk is increased because they are not proper. People staying in overcrowded conditions.
Mexico's ambassador to Canada tells Global News a big part of the new agreement reached between the two countries sees Canada stepping up inspections and doing them in person. The Canadian government confirms in-person inspections will start this week. They were put on hold in April. Last week, Mexico hit pause on the migrant worker program, leaving as many as 5,000 approved workers waiting. Now, Juan Jose Gomez Camacho says they're allowed in due to the agreement that also sets up a group that can respond immediately to problems.
So we are really very pleased. We think we're moving in the right direction.
The deal also calls for sanctions for employers who don't follow the rules.
And we are ensuring that changes are made and that there will be consequences.
Frankly, it's very clear that the government is not able in responding to what is a life and death situation.
The 3 Mexican workers died in southwestern Ontario, where the outbreak is most acute. Monday, Premier Doug Ford announced Windsor-Essex is the only part of the province that won't proceed towards the next phase of reopening, largely blaming farmers who won't send workers for tests.
Like, I'm begging here for your support for the people of Windsor and Essex. What more do you want me to do? It's frustrating, to say the least. Sorry for going on, but man, everyone else is cooperating in the whole province.
The Premier also promised new inspections of migrants' work and living conditions done in cooperation with Ottawa. And while Ford says he can't force anyone to get tested, he did hint at taking stronger measures if people don't cooperate, worried if the outbreak gets worse in one part of the province, it will spread. Abigail Bimman, Global News, Ottawa.